Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Dowager's Hump brace is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for individuals looking to improve their posture and alleviate the discomfort associated with the Dowager's Hump, also known as kyphosis. This condition, often characterized by a rounded upper back, can lead to pain, stiffness, and a significant impact on one's confidence and daily activities. In this video, we'll delve into what makes a Dowager's Hump brace effective, exploring the various features and benefits that consumers should look for to find the perfect support system to help them stand taller and feel better. Number 5. RESTCLOUD Neck and Shoulder Relaxer. Experience ultimate relaxation with our innovative neck and shoulder relaxer. Designed to alleviate tension and promote better posture, it's your personal solution for a healthier neck. This device is specifically engineered to provide relief from TMJ pain. It gently helps in aligning your cervical spine, promoting natural curvature and reducing discomfort. Enjoy the benefits of a chiropractic adjustment in the comfort of your home. It acts as a pillow, gently stretching and decompressing your neck. Simply lie down and let it work its magic. This easy-to-use neck stretcher provides effective relief without any complicated procedures. Available in a soothing blue color, this relaxer is as visually calming as it is physically effective. Rediscover comfort and well-being with this essential wellness tool. What we like. This device offers targeted relief for neck and shoulder discomfort. If you suffer from TMJ pain or need better cervical spine alignment, this is a great option. It provides a gentle stretch to help decompress your neck. What people say. This brace is designed to help correct posture and alleviate pain associated with Dowager's Hump. The brace is adjustable and comfortable to wear for extended periods, providing consistent support. It effectively supports the upper back and shoulders, promoting a more upright posture. Number 4. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Discover a more complete picture of your health and explore your origins with our at-home DNA test kit. Get over 100 personalized genetic insights. Understand how your DNA may affect your chances of developing certain health conditions. Optimize your wellness with insights on diet, exercise, and sleep. Learn if you are a carrier for genetic variants linked to inherited health conditions. Use these insights to make informed decisions about your family's future. Collecting your DNA is easy and requires just a saliva sample, no needles needed. Simply spit in the tube, mail it back, and receive your reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your genetic information is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with robust security measures. Gain actionable, science-backed insights to take proactive control of your health journey. Start exploring your unique genetic makeup today. What we like. Unlock a deeper understanding of your health and heritage with this DNA test. If you're curious about your genetic predispositions and want to explore your family tree, this is the kit for you. It offers actionable insights for a proactive health journey. What people say. This brace is very effective in improving posture and reducing the appearance of a Dowager's Hump. The design is comfortable and discreet, allowing for all-day wear without irritation. It provides excellent support and helps to retrain the muscles for better spinal alignment. Number 3. Schiara Posture Corrector. Introducing the Schiara Posture Corrector, designed for both men and women. It provides essential alignment for your back, neck, and shoulders during any activity. Achieve a straighter posture and feel more confident, healthy, and younger. This back brace helps you enjoy life with a better posture. Wear it discreetly under your clothes. It's undetectable and comfortable. You'll forget you're even wearing it. Easily adjustable to fit chest sizes from 30 to 42 inches. Start with short durations and gradually increase where time to feel the difference. Crafted from high-quality, lightweight, and breathable fabric. It's designed for maximum comfort and durability, and it's even washable. This comfortable upper and back brace offers excellent support. It's the perfect solution for anyone seeking better alignment and relief. What we like. Achieve a straighter, more confident posture with this comfortable brace. If you need discreet support throughout the day, this is an excellent choice as it's virtually undetectable under clothes. It's designed for both men and women seeking better back, shoulder, and neck alignment. What people say. This brace is designed to help correct posture and alleviate pain associated with Dowager's Hump. The adjustable straps allow for a customized fit, ensuring comfort and effectiveness. It provides gentle support to the upper back, encouraging proper alignment without restricting movement. Number 2. ZAMAT Neck and Shoulder Relaxer. Introducing the ZAMAT Neck and Shoulder Relaxer, your ultimate solution for targeted pain relief and relaxation. Experience the soothing benefits of magnetic therapy with our specially designed pillowcase, enhancing your comfort and recovery. This device acts as a chiropractic neck stretcher, gently aligning your cervical spine for improved posture and reduced discomfort. Effectively relieve muscle tension, headaches, and TMJ pain. It provides a natural way to de-stress your neck and shoulders. Utilizing gentle cervical traction, it helps to decompress your spine and alleviate pressure points. Feel the tension melt away. Promote better spinal alignment and overall well-being. It's designed for ease of use and maximum therapeutic effect. What we like? Experience enhanced relaxation with the added benefit of magnetic therapy. If you're looking for a way to soothe headaches and muscle tension in your neck and shoulders, this pillowcase offers a unique approach. It combines gentle traction with therapeutic magnetic properties. What people say. The brace is designed to help improve posture and reduce the appearance of a dowager's hump. It features adjustable straps for a customized fit and comfortable wear throughout the day. The lightweight and discreet design allows it to be worn under clothing without being noticeable. Number 1. NEOCARBON TENS Unit Muscle Stimulator. Introducing the NEOCARBON TENS Unit, a versatile massager designed for comprehensive pain relief. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to target discomfort effectively. Whether it's your neck, back, shoulders, or legs, this device is perfect for all muscle soreness. It offers targeted stimulation to help you recover and feel better. Experience effective pain relief from the comfort of your home. This small, portable device is easy to use and helps reduce pain and muscle spasms from workouts or injuries. Featuring 24 modes and 20 intensity levels, you can customize your experience for optimal relaxation and pain management. Use up to 4 pads simultaneously for maximum effectiveness. Enjoy extended use with its rechargeable battery. A single 2-hour charge provides up to a month of daily relief, making it a convenient choice for ongoing pain management. The kit includes the TENS PMS massager, multiple sizes of reusable electrode pads, cables, a charging cable, pad holders, and a travel case for convenience. What we like? This TENS unit provides a versatile solution for muscle pain and stimulation. If you need on-the-go relief for sore muscles in your neck, back, or shoulders, this device is ideal. Its rechargeable battery and multiple settings offer customizable therapy for various pain points. What people say. The brace is comfortable to wear under clothes and provides good posture support. It effectively helps to correct rounded shoulders and improve upper back posture. The adjustable straps allow for a customized fit, making it easy to wear for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.